Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Candy Squirrel ability in Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the ability of this pet, I'm going to talk about how I got this pet. I got this pet from the previous update, specifically from the Candy event, and this is a team reward, and I'm going to place this pet in my garden and let's see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna view the information. Oh, this is a mythical pet, and every 17 minutes has 15% chance to apply the Candy Mutation. Okay, basically this pet can give your plants the Candy Mutation, but you need to wait for about 70 minutes. Okay, I think it's good, but it's not really OP, guys, because as you can see, the cooldown time is very long. Okay, guys, and that's all about the the Candy Squirrel and Grey Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!